X-rays are electromagnetic radiation of low wavelength 0.1 angstrom to 100 angstrom. For studying the diffraction pattern of X-rays, we require size of slit equal to or order of the wavelength of X-rays. The spacing of atoms or molecules in crystals is of the order of a few angstrom. Thus, the crystals are used to measure the wavelength of X-rays, just like gratings are used to determine wavelengths of visible radiations. X-rays emanating from X-ray tube pass through two holes into lead screens and then falls on the crystal. After emerging from the crystal showing diffraction, X-rays falls on the photographic plate to produce a wave-like circular pattern. These patterns were called as Lau's pattern. This experiment also confirms the wave nature of X-rays. Now let's see Brake's law and spectrometer. When beam of X-rays is incident on a crystal, the path difference between the two rays AO-A dash and BO-B dash is PO dash plus P dash O dash equal to 2D sin theta. If the path difference is m lambda, one gets constructive interference 2D sin theta equal to m lambda, where theta equal to grating angle, d equal to interatomic distance, m equal to order of diffraction. Brake's law of X-ray diffraction. The crystal behaves like a grating. The interatomic distance should be of the same order as lambda. Different crystals are used for different wavelength regions. For each wavelength, even third orders, at higher orders, the wavelength will overlap as in the optical diffraction. Now let's see absorption of X-rays. When a beam of X-rays with incident intensity I naught passes through material, then intensity of emergent X-rays I is I equal to I naught e power minus mu x, where mu equal to absorption coefficient and x equal to thickness of medium. The intensity of transmitted X-rays reduces exponentially with thickness of material. Absorption coefficient. Absorption coefficient of the material is defined as reciprocal of thickness, after which intensity of X-rays falls to 1 upon E times the original intensity. At mu equal to 1 upon x, I equal to I naught upon E. The absorption coefficient depends on wavelength of X-rays, lambda, the atomic number Z of material, and density rho of material. When thickness equal to half value thickness, I equal to I naught upon 2. What is half value thickness? Half value thickness is the thickness of material which reduces the intensity of transmitted X-ray photon to 50% of incident intensity. So when x equal to x half, I equal to I naught upon 2, which gives us x half equal to ln 2 upon mu equal to 0.693 upon mu. Absorption coefficient mu equal to C Z4 lambda q rho. First mu proportional lambda q, mu proportional 1 upon mu q, 1 upon mu cube. Third mu proportional Z4, fourth mu proportional rho. Best absorber of X-rays is lead, while lowest absorption takes place in air. Let's see origin of X-rays. Continuous X-rays. Continuous X-rays are produced by phenomenon of Bremsstrahlung, which means breaking or slowing down radiation when an accelerated electron strikes a target, it enters inside the target. There is an interaction between electron and electric field of nucleus producing collision. This results in loss of energy of electron which appears as X-ray photon. The energy of emitted photon h nu equal to E final minus E initial. E final and E initial are final and initial energy of electron. The electron may suffer several collisions with different nuclei before coming to rest. Many photons of different energy are produced. Due to large number of electrons in electron beam, we get photons of nearly all frequencies. The X-rays produced in process of slowing down of an electron are called Bremsstrahlung X-rays or continuous X-rays. From conservation of energy, kinetic energy of electron equal to maximum energy of photon. EV naught equal to h nu maximum equal to hc upon lambda minimum. V naught equal to accelerating potential difference. Lambda minimum equal to hc upon EV naught equal to 12,400 divided by V naught angstrom.